Welcome back, guys, to another video. We have some more Super Things, Secret Spies series.
And
I have 2 houses. William has a big pack.
Also comes with one super rare gold super thing, Hardlock or Lord Torch.
Okay, I'll open mine while William's opening his. I got a different colour house. And I got purple A+, guy.
I have him.
Fortunately, it's a duplicate. Okay, put him there. I like the house though. Okay, I'll open my other one. Oh, I got another colour house. And I got this.
Oh my god, my favourite character.
This is William's favourite character. I'll just check his name.
One of my favourite characters. He's something heady.
You got Lord Torch.
Okay. Okay.
So the guy here is Agent Eddie. Okay, he's a new.
Let's do checklists. Okay, give me a checklist.
I'll take out all of these things. Or do you want to take them out?
So
we have like 1 duplicate in that.
2, 3. But some are different coloured, so they don't count as duplicates. Ugh. So he's starting off with Johnny Steele. Now, let's move on to...
We have 4 hideouts out of 8. There's 8 different hideouts, and we have 2 new ones. Unfortunately, 1 duplicate.
So we have these 2. We have... What is that again? Yeah. Actually, I can check on the back of this. It is Doc Datirus. This is the orange version. The original one's purple bin bag.
I'll just get them out for you.
Ooh, we got purple hidden eyes. The dog food guy. Doghouse. Lucky Looker. Slide. Key-tective. Tome of Terror. No, Tome of Terror. And now let's get the super rare gold one. We got Lord Torch. He's one of the leaders of the bad guys. See, you can.
William wanted
I wanted Hardlock, but he's okay. There's like a handle.
Okay, put him here so they can see.
And then he has fire. So most of these are different coloured, and I also love Key-tective. And one of my favourite characters is also Hidden Eyes, and I love Heady something.
Agent Eddie, I think.
Agent Heady.
Okay, guys, so that was all. Next time we might get a bit more. So, bye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment to tell us if you like the video and what we should do next. Bye.
Bye.